Geno's log. Stardate 2022-0217. It's Thursday. Driving through a rainstorm right now. Temperature outside is 32 degrees according to my truck and 30 degrees according to my watch. We're right at that point where we're going to start getting freezing rain. It's supposed to be going to Hannibal, Missouri, but in between me and Hannibal is rain, freezing rain, wintry mix, and snow. So I'm not going to Hannibal. I am going to Jacksonville to repair a pharmacy safe. Stardate 2022-0217 supplemental. I'm in Jacksonville, driven through rain, freezing rain, snow, sleet, frozen rain, and as you can tell from the video, it's snowing right now. So I got the truck in automatic four-wheel drive, and we're going to head back home. It's 30 miles away. Over there it's just rain, which means that I'm in the beginnings of this stuff. I'm probably going to follow it all the way back to Springfield. So we'll let the video run for a little bit and show you what kind of weather conditions I'm in. Lights on, but I've also got the fog lights on. It just two more lights for people to see. We got drifting going on already. Yay! Got a 1/4 inch of snow in some places. Drifting. Fun times. And there is a layer of ice underneath the snow. Where I'm at right now, the snowplow has been dropping salt, so it's not so bad. And, there we go. I'll turn off my commentary for a little bit here as we go. Switch this over to time lapse. It won't use as much video space. Be right back to Springfield. Just at the just about a half a mile or so from the.
In 0.7 miles, turn left onto I-72 East.